Hello, safety champions. Did you know that poor tire maintenance can be a cause of road accidents? I'm Radiant Raya, and today we'll explore how tire neglect leads to accidents and what we can do to prevent them. Every year, accidents happen due to bald tires, underinflation, and ignored damages. These issues reduce grip, increase braking distance, and can even cause tire blowouts. Let's examine the real-world impact. Imagine a car driving on a wet road. If the tread is too shallow, it loses grip and starts hydroplaning, making it impossible to steer or stop in time. Another risk is blowouts. If a tire is underinflated or has cracks, heat builds up and causes a sudden burst, leading to loss of control, especially at high speeds. Neglecting alignment and rotation can cause uneven wear, making one side of the tire weak. This can result in a sudden tire failure during turns or braking. So, how do we prevent these accidents? First, check your tread depth. Look for the tread wear indicators. These small raised bars inside the grooves that show when it's time to replace the tire. Next, always maintain the right tire pressure. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, overheating, and blowout risk. Check tire pressure once a month. Lastly, don't ignore alignment and rotation. Get tires aligned every 6 months and rotate them every 10,000 kilometers to ensure even wear and longer life. Great job, safety champions. Remember, taking 5 minutes to check your tires can save lives. Stay safe and drive smart.